Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Radio Button. Visualforce Radio Button, a set of related radio button input elements displayed in a table. Unlike checkboxes, only one radio button can be selected at a time. Let's see an example. Radio button renders a group of radio buttons used when we want the user to select only one option from a group. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. To create the Visualforce page, we need to click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab, click File, New, Visualforce page. I am taking the name Visualforce Radio Button, click OK. So in this Visualforce page, Apex form, under Apex form, Apex page block, title radio button, and here I am creating the ID R. Cities, I am taking here multiple cities and we have to select only one of these cities. So select radio, then Apex, select option, item label, it is for displaying, and item value here it is for the coding purpose, means when we are using in our class, this value is going to be used, item value. So item label Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and for this these are the item value, and Apex select radio button, here it's closing, then command button, value submit, and action show. Re-render R value here we are taking, and save this, click on preview. So here radio button we had taken the title, cities, none you can select, or Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai, or if there is no value, no city we have to choose, then click on none. Thank you.